ability to, able to works. He can perform well. Performer, very good. He's a performer, yeah. Can you repeat? Is creative. He wants to say creative. The person who does not wait for others, but he always take the initiative to do something new. Wow, very good. Is a creative, value adder, performer. Very good. Is a contributor. Yeah, he puts the wholeheartedness into the small task. Very good. So, small task can be done with great interest. Great interest. Wow, very good. Yeah? To think out the box is a contributor. Very good. Oh, if somebody looks, somebody observes or somebody supervises, then people they perform. But without the supervision, the person would perform as a contributor. Very good. Participative in nature, democratic in nature. Yeah. Very good. Trying to find out the new ways. Oh, very good. The person who always smile, right, and is having jolly nature too. Wow, very good. It's a contributor.
A person who keeps all taste of biscuits with him and give each and every person as per their taste. That is, he studies the expectation of individual for whom he is concerned and try to fulfill his life.
He is kind of a rational people. He thinks about others and try to understand. He's having research attitude. That's very good. Fine. Thank you, my dear friends. You have contributed a lot. Next, please. Next, please. Now you see, my dear friends, just wait. Now you see that so many people, it means you have given the idea like that. The person who is having responsibility attitude is a contributor. The person who is having true directions. The person who is having smile. The success, he thinks about the success of others, like that. So here, my dear friends, you can see that contributor, I think more or less you want to speak like this, that these attitude, these kinds of the qualities to whom we consider as a contributor. Here you can see that he is immersed in whatever the work he or she does, as somebody yesterday takes interest in the small task given. At the same time, cares about people, care and concern about people. You can see is a trustworthy people, they can rely. Trustworthiness people, they feel. At the same time, the person is a inner directed. Somebody has said also, no, the person is not exposed because of the external environment, but he is self-motivated, immersed inner side, takes responsibility, always ready to take the responsibility. You can see creates value and makes a difference, right? You can see that a person who creates value and makes a difference in self, in team, in organization, in society at large. You can see here. At the same time, he is focused on the larger purpose, not narrow-mindedness, but you can find the larger purpose. At the same time, rather than personal goals or ego, right? He does not concern about this ego or personal goals, but he thinks about the team, and at the same time strives for excellence or quality in all he or she does with, right? In simple words, we can say he or she is having things win-win situation, right? Not like that I win and you will not, right? But win-win situation. He is a contributor. He or she is considered to be the contributor. Do you agree, my dear friends? Got the idea that who is a contributor? My dear friends, it is not like that Sachin Tendulkar is only the contributor. It is not like that the senior officials are contributor. But as you have told, no, that we are contributor. We have to take the steps. We are contributor. And you see, my dear friends, those friends who have shared the idea that they must have come across, they must have acted as a contributor many a times, but we are not aware. So we can be the contributor. We are contributor. So my dear friends, whenever, let me tell you, whenever we talk with other people and we want to create a contributive career, at the time our language, that should be the language of contributor. The language should not be the landlord language. We should have that. So he is considered with a contributor, and he is positive, full of energy. Here you can see it's considered the contributor. Next please. Now my dear friends, you can see that recall any one incident of your life where you feel you acted as a contributor. Because we are contributor. We can make the difference. It is not the other person, he is having some magical power, and that's why he can make the difference. We have observed the example that even the small job person, the sweeper, if he or she contributes, then make a tremendous difference. What kinds of the difference one can find in life? What kinds of the difference one can find in life? So here we have so many examples that you must have acted as a contributor. So a contributor is, here for the example it is given, the contributor is immersed in whatever work he or she does. So as a student you do the work, as a teacher, as a professor, we do the work. The small chaprasi or watchman or a kirana person or a salesperson or a government official, everybody, they can play the role as a contributor. And if he or she does like that, then here you can see it is the win-win situation, the positivity. And here you are requested that individually think of one example of how you acted as a contributor in your life. In your life, how you have acted as a contributor. And here you see, you can read it, displaying one or more of the above qualities. Here the qualities are already mentioned. And write this down in your workbook. Here also you can see the next page. And in teams of two, first you are requested to write down as a contributor. You just try to recall the incident where you have acted as a contributor. So we are contributors, right? And you must have played the role as a contributor. So you try to recall the incident where you have played the role as a contributor, just for 2 minutes. You write down your own contributorship. મારે તો 1 નંબરની સીટ જ ક્યાં ખોવાઈ ગઈ, મને મળતી નથી ને મને બહુ યાદ આવતી હતી. So my dear friends, anybody would like to volunteer? They would like to share their ideas? Please raise your finger. Yeah? So it means you have volunteered to help, right? So you are a contributor. You have done that. Very good. So he has done. Here you can see that he is having the care about others. He has helping attitude, right? Yeah.
When we participate in a team or when we are appointed to do a work in a team, what we believe is each and every person has certain speciality. To take in the consideration the speciality of individual, share it with, so win-win situation can be created among the group and group performance can be at the optimum.
So you had performed as a team worker, right? Contributor as a team people, right? As a very important person of the team, and he has contributed a lot for the developing the team. He has respected. Very good. Anybody else?
In my engineering days, I have prepared the detailed notes of the subjects and I have distributed it to all the classmates. And I am very proud that till date, on this day also, that notes are circulated in the engineering after 6 to
Very good.
6 years.
So it means he has helped in preparing the notes so that other people they should not take that much pain, you know, right? So it is empathetic attitude. You have already played as a contributor. Very good. So the contributor is not the, you know, that is the matter that is there in the sky, right? We day to day, in our day to day life, we play the role as a contributor. Yes, anybody like to? Yeah?
Just before 1 month, there was a presentation of a particular group, and I was in the member of that group. At that time, there was one I of the presentation partner was not feeling good for having a presentation become in front of the audience. So, due to my some you can say the motivational words and from a speech, he has given the presentation, and you would not believe that that presentation was one of the best which he has given yet in his life.
Wow, wow, what a fantastic. Means, actually the person who is having the capability, but he was having the doubt, right, in the illness, whether I'll be in a position to perform it or not. But because of his words, motivating speech, the person who has performed well. It's contributor. Very good, very nice. Yeah?
I remember one incident in the history of Gujarat, 26 January 2000, I was in Ahmedabad and I have played a role of contributor to save people from dilapidated buildings, and to save people from the moribunds, help people who help people get out from the dilapidated buildings from them. So I think I have somehow played a role to save people from that.
That's a great,
crucial move.
that's a great job towards the society.